MS धोनी के 5 ऐसे छक्के जिन्हें देखकर आपका रिएक्शन भी कुछ ऐसा ही होगा। सबसे पहले यह छक्का,
but it's all on this man. It's not on anybody else at this moment.
Ferguson. Dhoni goes big. How big? I think it's big enough.
फिर यह छक्का,
Dhoni hits it out the park. Let's see how he goes. Oh, there you go. There you go.
फिर यह छक्का,
Get underneath it. And the helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant.
फिर यह छक्का,
Oh, the helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air. And way back in.
में ये सबसे बेस्ट छक्का।
Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lift the World Cup after